masuk zaman sekarang, ananas Belanda boy. Dari kecil sampai gemoy, baku wajah ke acara, update status di udara. Melihat yang celana umpan atau yang setelan kancingan, dari Amber sampai Komeng, yang lain skip dan no komen. 1, 2, 3 mana pasukan Belanda boy.
Good morning, salam rahayu. Healthy greeting to all of us. Meet me again, Zeprianto Butar-Butar, student of kepercayaan terhadap Tuhan Yang Maha Esa. Thank you to Mr. Sony as the English letter. Okay, here I will example the simple past tense. Discussion, nominal sentence, verb from. What is simple past tense? Simple tense that as tenses or events that occurred or were carried out at a certain time in the past. Simple past tense are divided into two, namely nominal sentence and verb sentence. Simple past tense. Example of simple past tense sentence. Number 1. We left in Jakarta last year. Number 2. I was so tired last night. Look at the following example sentence. This sample sentence is a simple past tense sentence in both verbal and nominal form. From this activity, we can know the activity that occurred in the past and added in the past too. Okay, let's discuss the simple past tense nominal sentence what her. Nominal sentence is sentence that does not contain a verb, but has to be was or were, and after that is followed be an adjective, noun, and verb. There are two types of to be in the simple past tense, namely nominal sentence. What is said with the subject? Was, I, she, he, it, Aldi. All these singular names and my mother and the cat. Where is set on the subject? Where? You, we, they, Mia and Vexana, my sister. Where is a shot on the subject? Plural person's name. For example of simple past tense nominal sentence in positive, negative, and interrogative form. First, we will discuss the positive sentence. Positive sentences are formed from subject plus to be plus non-verb. Subject I, she, he, it, we, you, they. To be, was, were. Non-verb adjective. Adjective I like, fight, smart, and sad. Noun like dictionary, driver, manager, and table. Adverb like at home, in the classroom, and on the floor. Now that we, the centers part, look at the free sample to the sentence. After that, let's move on the sample sentence. I was a singer 5 years ago. I subject was to be I singer noun. Number two, they were here 2 days ago. They subject were to be heard at verb. Anissa was at home last night. Subject Anissa to be was at verb at home. Number four, he was sick last week. Subject he to be was. Sick adjective. After the let's move on to the example sentence. How isn't it easy for positive sentence? Now we will study negative sentence. Negative sentences are formed from subject plus to be plus not plus non-verb. Subject I see, he, it, we, you, they. To be plus not, was not, wasn't, were not, run. Not verb. Adjective non verb. After the will, change the positive sentence to negative sentence. Number one, I was a singer 5 years ago. Number two, they were not here 2 days ago. Number three, Anissa was not at home last night. Number four, he was not sick last week. Next, we will read how to make interrogative sentence format from to be plus subject plus noun verb by extending it to the sentence part. From example number one, was a singer 5 years ago. Number two, were they heard 2 days ago. Number three, was Anissa at home last night? Number four, was he sick last week? After we see the pattern or formula for negative sentence, now we will change the positive sentence interrogative for today the sentence because Do you understand you two word sentence in positive, negative, and interrogative form? Very easy. After we study simple past tense, nominal, we will continue to study simple tense verb sentence. Fret from number one, I simple past tense verbal sentence we as verb. Number two, I positive simple past tense. We ask the second for from of the verb. Verb 2 can be to from in the regular and irregular list. Number 3, main will in negative and interrogative sentence in simple past tense. Verbal sentence, the verb is changed to the phrase from of verb 1. Before we know how to read simple past tense, we have to know regular verb and irregular verb. Next, to make an essay for how to read simple past tense verb, we should know the time informative aside is simple past tense. At verb of time, yesterday, last week, last holiday, last Monday, last week, last month, last year, last night, 2 hours ago, 5 years ago, the day ago, 1 week ago, blah 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 ago. Okay, now we will read how to read simple past tense verb sentence. But before that, we have to know that in nominal sentence we ask to be where and where, and the ask of to be is different based on the subject, but is very different in a simple past tense verbal sentence in sentence. Verbal sentence we ask did, and did is used from all subject by activity to be verb sentence but simple past tense positive sentence are formed from. Sample positive, she studied English last night. Negative, she did not study English last night. Interrogative, did she study English last week? So, simple past tense is an important element in English that is aside to describe extent or event that were acknowledged at a certain time in the past master of nominal and verb from, as well as the rule from us and the forming positive, negative, and interrogative. Sentence is extended from activity community in English. Be understanding and applying simple past tense correctly. We call tell experience, event, and story clearly and precisely. That's all my sample regarding simple past tense. Sorry, I am for my are not clear. Thank you.